Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, it's Mother's Sunday in Jamaica, and today I want to do a roast chicken. I'm gonna show you something. So this is 2 chicken which I have right here. I'm gonna go straight through it to show you guys how I'm going to do this amazing chicken. Alright, I'm gonna get it marinated and I'm gonna simple. This is some chicken spices. Right, put on some pepper and spices on it. The simple turn over the chicken to the other side like this. Nicely. The way I'm doing this chicken is just a simple little way. Guys, I'm gonna put on some pepper. And it's the same thing on the other side. Nice one. Very easy way, guys. I know you guys definitely gonna love this one. The way I'm doing it is gonna be easy. Guys, Mother's Day in Jamaica, and I decided to do a chicken, roast chicken today. So we have some garlic. I'm gonna put on some garlic on it also. Nice one. Some paprika. And the paprika kind of bring in a lovely flavor to it also when you're gonna cook it in the oven. I'm gonna be roasting it for about 45 minutes to about an hour. I'm gonna be roasting it for. So, chicken seasoning is a must. I'm gonna put on some chicken season. And it like this. Make sure some might get on the inside of it. Get on the inside of it. Nicely. That's some chicken season. What we're going to do, we're going to put red onion inside of it. Because what happened now, the red onion is going to bring in a lovely flavor. So we're going to put 1 ounce red onion inside of it like this. And also a whole red onion also inside of the chicken. Just like this, alright? Yeah, nice one. Make sure. So I'm going to be cooking the chicken instantly. Preheat the oven. That's the first thing what you want to do. You know? I'm gonna put some onion on the outside. Some spring onion also. Nice one. Just a little bit of mixed herb. I love mixed herb, you know what I mean? Just pour a little bit of mixed herb on the outside. Teaspoon of the natural blending season. This natural blending season, I have it on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna put a little bit on this one also. It's on my YouTube channel, the natural blending season. Nice one. So chicken season, we need to put on some chicken season. This is some chicken season I'm gonna put on it. Nicely. So all I'm going to do now is put on the gloves. I'm going to marinate the chicken. Just a simple little roast chicken, I mean. It's Mother's Day in Jamaica. All over the Caribbean is Mother's Day today. So let's decide for the chicken today, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we're just gonna get this rub up nice. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. So just like that. Look at that. So easy and simple. So what we're gonna do now is get a tray, and we're going to put the chicken on the tray like this. And we're going to roast off in the oven for an hour. 1 hour in the oven. And that's gonna bring in a gorgeous flavor to it. Alright, look at that. Amazing. Amazing. It looks so lovely and nice. As you can see, exactly what I'm talking about. Just put a little bit more pepper on top of it like this. The natural blending season, it got everything. See, chicken, you got onion, garlic, chili, and coriander inside of this. Very good. You can get this in the local shop to buy, the supermarket. A little bit of dry chili. Nice one. Yeah. That's it. So now we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to roast it off for 1 hour. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that chicken. Amazing. The season and everything. If you have some fresh thyme, you can put some fresh thyme on it. You know what I mean? But just do it simple. They say the natural blending season got garlic, thyme, everything in it. So it's pretty good to go like that, guys. Enjoy the recipe and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. So with the chicken, all you have to do is just pop it straight into the oven just like this, and we're gonna do roast it off for 1 hour until it get crispy and nice. And I know you guys definitely will love this recipe. It's a Mother's Day, Sunday Mother's Day recipe, and you know what I mean, it's a quick recipe I'm giving the fans them because of time running on bits and pieces. So I know a lot of time is we are on the behind time like Jamaica now. It's gonna be probably in the morning. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I just take the chicken from the oven. I've been roasting it 1 hour now. Look at this. 1 hour, and look how crispy the skin is. See? That's exactly what you're looking for. These are just the season which on top of the chicken. Alright guys, but this is just 1 hour. I roast it for 1 hour and about 15 minutes in the oven on a medium size heat. But take a good look at that beautiful roast chicken, guys. Fantastic. So yeah, this is exactly what I'm talking about. You can do this with some roast potato and roast vegetable. Happy Mother's Day. Hopefully you guys like the recipe. This is a quick and simple roast chicken stuffed with red onion inside of it. Also you can put apple inside of it. But look at this. Look at that. Look what the chicken is. Look at that. Beautiful, crispy on the outside of the skin. Alright, enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.